Everybody, guess what? It's been a while, so I have a surprise for you. We are going to go outside in the backyard. Yeah. Thanks to one of the wheels from my Caterpillar, Cammy.
What's the other one?
I want to dig a hole for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And actually, this is gonna be a random outdoor video. We're gonna go outside.
You guys going outside with D'Angelo?
I'm not going on the trampoline yet. First, I want to do something. Look at this. These are one of the wheels from my Caterpillar. I'm gonna show you how to dig a hole. You just push down here, and there you go. You dug a hole. What the hell? Heck, I should say. Come on up. A lot of people ask me. What? I'm not going on the trampoline yet.
You need for Harley, Evie. Try harder.
That's a hole that I just dug. Look at that. That could be an elevator bell. Look how bright it is. Look at that light. I like that light.
Someone's looking for Ollie. Why? Yeah.
Let's go. Wow.